more and more of our clients are talking about the importance of employee engagement. But you actually advocate to open this up even further to what you call, I think, the real voice of the employee program. Is that correct? What is that about?
Yeah, exactly. A voice of the employee program is a program that allows employees to voice their opinions and concerns about the company. It's a great way to get honest feedback from employees, which can help us improve processes and culture.
That sounds interesting. How do we install it in our organization?
Well, first you need to define objectives and goals for your program, right? And what kind of feedback you want to collect. Because this will help identify the best methods for gathering your feedback, whether it would be surveys or suggestion boxes or whatever other focus groups, for example, right? You need to identify the platforms you want to use and ensure that it's user-friendly as well for your employees.
Okay, I got that. So once you have then the program or the platform, how do you run the engagement surveys with it?
We can help design that for our customers and ask questions related to employee experiences, such as questions on job satisfaction and work-life balance and career growth opportunities, always including close-end questions, but as well open-end questions, of course, which encourage employees to really give feedback on broader topics.
And how do you make sure that they really participate in the surveys?
That's a very good question indeed, because it is crucial to very well communicate to your employees about the program, about the benefits, about why you're doing this, which is basically for them, right? Participation and involvement are crucial. It's your people's opportunity to express their thoughts, to trigger transformation within a company, and of course, you can also incentivize them, right? You can incentivize them by offering rewards, but especially recognition for completing surveys.
And how do we follow up on the feedbacks we receive?
Yeah, good one. We need to analyze the data we receive, identify patterns, identify themes, and then you can develop action plans on corporate level, on departmental level to improve on the employee experience.
That makes perfect sense to me. How do you have any tips for ensuring the success of the program?
Yeah. We need to ensure that the program is well implemented consistently, transparently across the organization, and therefore you need to allocate resources to that. Allocate time as well to analyze the feedback, to implement the necessary changes. So it is an involvement not only from an HR department, it's an involvement from a whole management board. And it's important to keep a program ongoing and not just as a one-time initiative.
Sounds like a great program, Bob. I really have the feeling now to know how to install it, and it certainly can be a game changer.
Thank you, Bill.